Hello everyone, this is Pritika Patel working as an assistant professor in computer engineering department of Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center Navsari. Today in this session we are going to discuss about binary tree traversal, which is the topic of subject data structure of second year third semester. Now coming to the point, binary tree traversal. The most common operation performed on tree structure is that of traversal. This is a procedure by which each node in the tree is processed exactly once in a symmetric manner. Means binary tree traversal is nothing but in binary tree traversal we have to visit each and every node at least one time. This is called binary tree traversal. There are three ways of traversing a binary tree. First is pre-order traversal, second is in-order traversal, and third one is post-order traversal. So, suppose this is the tree in which we have to visit each and every node, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, and G at least one time, right? This is called binary tree traversal. Now, first one is pre-order traversal. For this, one tree is given over here. Pre-order traversal of binary tree is defined as follows. First, visit the root node. Then, traverse the left subtree. And third one is traverse the right subtree. So, in pre-order traversal, first of all, we have to visit root. Then we have to visit this left subtree, and then we have to visit this right subtree. Now, if particular subtree is empty, that is node has no left or right descendant, the traversal is performed by doing nothing. In other words, a null subtree is considered to be fully traversed when it is encountered. Now pre-order traversal of given tree as first we have to visit node A, that is root node. So we have to write in pre-order traversal first of all node A, right? Then we have to visit left subtree of tree, right? So we have to visit node B. So we have to write B in pre-order traversal. Then next node is C. So we have to visit this node C because it is the left subtree, and write C in pre-order traversal. So write C over here. Then our left subtree is fully visited. Now we have to move on right subtree. In right subtree, first node is D. So we have to visit this node D and write D into pre-order traversal. Now left child of D, that is E. So we have to visit E and write E in a pre-order traversal. Then right child of E is F. So we have to visit F and write F as in pre-order traversal. Then G is a right child of D. So we have to visit G and write G in a pre-order traversal. So the shortcut method for pre-order traversal is first we have to visit A, then B, then C. Then again go to up. But all the nodes are visited, so we have to go right side and write D, then E, then F, then G. Now all the nodes are visited. So this is the pre-order traversal. So in binary tree traversal, first traversal is pre-order traversal. Now next is in-order traversal. For this is the tree which is already given over here. In-order traversal of binary tree is defined as follow. First, we have to traverse the left subtree, then visit the root node, and then last, we have to traverse the right subtree in order traversal. So based on name itself suggests, in order, we have to first visit left subtree, then root and right subtree. So in order, having root in middle position. Now in order traversal of given tree is, first we have to visit left subtree. So we have to left subtree node, that is C, and write it into in order traversal. Then next we have node B. So we have to visit this node B and put B into in order traversal. So now our left subtree is visited. Now root node is A, so we have to visit root A and write A into in order traversal. Now first of all we have to visit left node of this right subtree. So we have to visit E and write E into in order traversal. Then E have right child F. We have to visit F and write F into in order traversal. Then we have to visit node D, which is the root of E and G, and put D into in order traversal. Now right child of D is G, so we have to visit this G and put G into in order traversal. So this is the in order traversal. Now shortcut method of in order traversal is, we have to free fall all the nodes. First C is there, then B is again there, then A, then E, then F, then D, and then G. So you have to freely fall all the nodes, then it will become in order traversal. So this is the in order traversal of binary tree. Then third one is post order traversal. As per the name suggests, in post order traversal, first we have to visit left, then right, and then last root. So this is the tree which is given for post order traversal. Post order traversal of binary tree is defined as follow. First we have to traverse the left subtree, then we have to traverse the right subtree, and then last we have to visit the root node. Now post order traversal of a tree is given here. For post order traversal we have to take a leaf node of left subtree first. So first C is there, so we have to visit this node C and write it into post order traversal. Then next left subtree node, that is B, so we have to visit this node B and write it into post order traversal, right? Then we have to move on right subtree. In right subtree, leaf node is F, so first of all we have to visit this node F and write this node into post order traversal. Then E become a leaf node of right subtree, so we have to visit this node E and then write it into post order traversal. Then G have become leaf node of this right subtree, so we have to visit this node G and write G in post order traversal. Then now D become a leaf node because these all nodes are visited and D is remain, so we have to visit this node D and write D in post order traversal. And at last we have to visit node A, that is the root node of the tree, and we have to write this root in the last position in post order traversal. So this is the post order traversal for binary tree. And the shortcut method for post order traversal is, we have to take a leaf node first and write it into post order traversal. So first of all we have to write this C, then we become leaf node, right? So this left subtree is completed. Now move on to right subtree. In right subtree, F is a leaf node, so we have to write this F. Then E become a leaf, so we have to write this E. Then G become a leaf, so we have to write this G. And now D become leaf, so we have to write D, and at last we have to write A, which is root, but at last it become a leaf, so we have to write A in post order traversal. So easily we have to write this post order traversal by using pick the leaf node. Now link representation of binary tree. For this we have typical node that having three part. First is left pointer, second is data, and third is right pointer. So this typical node having three part. One part is for data, and another two part is one for left pointer, and another one is right pointer. Here this binary tree is already given over here. So now for node A we have to take a typical node which having two pointer and one data value, that is A. Now A is having two child, that is B and D. So now from here we have to make left pointer, and in left pointer we have to put B as in data part. Now B have again left child C, so we have to make a left pointer of B and put this value C in this nodes data part. Now B have no right child, so we have to put null in pointer value of this node B. Now C have also no right child or no left child, so we have to put both the pointer, left pointer and right pointer as in null. Now A have right child, that is D, so we have to put this D in data part of this node. Now we have both the left and right child, that is E and G, so we have to write E in this nodes data part, and in right pointer we have to put this G as in data part of this node. Now again E have no left child, so the left pointer of node E is become now null, and E have right child, that is F, so we have to put this F as in data part of this node. Now G have no left and right child, so the left and right pointer of G become null. Now F have again no left and right child, so left pointer and right pointer of F is now become null. So this is the link representation of binary tree. Now construct binary tree from traversal. Construct a binary tree from the given in order and post order traversal. Here in order traversal and post order traversal are given over here. So step 1 is find the root node. Now in pre-order traversal first node is root node, and in post order traversal last node is root node. So in post order traversal this is the node which is in last position, so it is become root. Now second step is find left and right sub tree. So now see in order traversal gives left and right subtree, so we have to see that A is node which is located over here in order, so this is become left subtree and this is become right subtree. This is post order and this is in order, already we have given. Now from this A is become a root node, so we have to find A in order. So now A become root, and this left part of A is become left subtree, and this right part of this in order is become a right subtree. So we have to construct a tree that A is as an root node and DGB as a left child of A, and HEICF is in right child of node A. Now in next step, A is a root node, right? So now we have to see that this is the DGB, right? So in post order we have to see that which is the come first from this side, right? So D, G and B. So we can say that B is the first from this right side. Okay, so now B become root of this subtree, right? And D and G become the left subtree of this node B. Now B having no element in right side, so the right side of the node B is nothing. Now from this subtree we have to find the parent node. So HEICF, HEICNF. From this C is coming first from right side. So C become a parent of this subtree and the left part of this node is become HEI and the right part of this node is become F, right? So this much portion is completed over here. Now we have to check for this right node of B. So now from this D and G we have to check which node is come first. So check from this side. You have to find D first. So now D become parent of this node, right? And D have no left part. So node G is become a right child of this node D. Now coming to the node C, that node C having HEI. Now we have to check over here H, E and I. From this E is come first from this right side. So E become a parent node of this subtree and H is become a left child and I is become a right child of E. So this way we can construct a binary tree from traversal order which we have already given. Now construct binary tree from traversal. For this we have given pre-order and in order. In previous example we have seen the example which having post order traversal and in order traversal. Now in this example we have given pre-order and in order. So in first step what we have to check? In pre-order we know that the root is located at first position, right? So now G become a root of the tree. Now we have to find G in order. So G is located over here in G. So this is become left child and this is become the right child of node G. So now G is become root node and QBKCFA is become the left child of G and PEDHR is become a right child of root node G. Now in second step we have to concentrate on this part, that is QBKCFA. Now we have to check this in pre-order. Now this is the pre-order, so we have to check that which node is come first, or we can say that which node is become parent of this node. For this we have to check in pre-order from left side. So B is come first, so B become a parent of this subtree and this Q is become a left part of node B and KCFA is become a right child of node B. Now in next step we have to check for this subtree. We have to check this which node is come first. PEDHR. Here PEDHR. So we can easily see that P is come first. So now P become parent of this subtree, right? So P have no left part. So here no left child is there, and this become a right child of node P, right? So EDHR become a right child of node P. Now in next step, that much node is covered. Now we have a right child of B, that is KCFA. So now we have to find the parent of this subtree. So KCFA, A become first. So now here A is become a parent of this subtree, right? So A have no right part. So KCF is become a left child of node A. Now P having a right subtree, that is EDHR. So now we have to check in pre-order EDHR. So we can easily see that D is the first node which come from the left side in pre-order. So D become a parent of this subtree, right? So E become a left child and HR become a right part of node D. Now this much node is covered. We have to focus on the right child of A, that is KCF. Now we have to check that which node is come first from left side in pre-order. KCF. Here C is come first, so C is become a parent node of KCF. So C is become a parent node and K is become a left child and F is become a right child of node C. Now HR is the right child of node D. So from H and R, which node is become a parent? So for this we have to check in pre-order. In pre-order R is coming first. So R is become a parent of this subtree and R having no right child. So H become a left child of node R. So this way we can construct a binary tree from given pre-order and in order. Thank you.